Good morning everybody. Swaraj Public School, Musanagar. Class 8. We are going to take chapter 3rd, Synthetic Fiber and Plastic. In last year also we have learned about synthetic fiber. Means fiber chapter पढ़ा हुआ है, last year भी था हमको. Synthetic fiber. In synthetic fiber there are some topics which we are going to learn in this chapter. First, natural and man-made material. Second, synthetic fiber. Third, characteristic of synthetic fiber. Fourth, synthetic plastic. Fifth, common synthetic plastic and their use. Plastic and the environment. We all understand what is synthetic fiber and plastic. So let's go for chapter. First we can see a fiber. Means we wear different types of clothes of fiber. So we are able to understand fiber. In here we can know natural material and man-made material. Whichever thing we get from nature is called as a natural material, and the thing which are made by man is called man-made material, means artificial material. Natural material is a God-gifted material which we get from nature. So come to the point. Very thin thread like stone from which cloth is made is called fiber. Fiber means cloth. What do you mean by fiber? Fiber means cloth. Whatever thing which is made from thin thread is cloth. Fiber is made by weaving and cutting long twisting thread called yarn. What is yarn? Yarn is a fiber which is made by weaving, cutting, twisting thread made up of fiber, which is made up of fiber. The cloths which we wear are made up of fiber. Naturally we know कोई भी कपड़ा हम पहनते वो फाइबर से ही बना होता है. Fabrics are made from fiber. Whichever fabric we see, it is made from fiber. These fibers are obtained from natural or artificial sources. Means these fiber are obtained from natural sources also and artificial sources also. Artificial sources mean synthetic sources. Thus, all the fibers can be divided into two groups. Means we know fibers are divided in two groups, natural material and man-made material, as shown in figure. Natural material and man-made material. Material we use can be grouped under two categories, natural material and man-made material. So first we go to natural material. The natural material occur in nature of their own, means it is found in nature. Nature का अपना होता है. They are therefore is called as a naturally occur material. Can you make some list, some naturally occur material? कुछ लिस्ट बना सकते हो जो naturally मिलते हैं? शंख नेचर से मिलते हैं कि हम लोग बनाते हैं? चलो नेचर से मिलते हैं. जूट, कोई भी फाइबर हो, कॉटन फाइबर कॉटन का हो तो जूट हो. नारियल के उससे बनता है या नारियल के पेड़ से बनता है। जो चीज़ें नेचुरली हो उसके आपको मुझे नाम बताने हैं। सेकंड, मैन मेड मटेरियल। मैन मेड मटेरियल, द मटेरियल ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम नेचुरल मटेरियल, also called raw material, means naturally found by raw material by chemical process are called man-made material, which is turned into chemical process is called as a man-made material. For example, plastic, paint, cement, fertilizer, detergent, glass, synthetic fiber and आर मैन मेड मटेरियल, मीन्स दिस ऑल आर मैन मेड मटेरियल। कहीं देखा है क्या पेंट उग रहा है, सीमेंट बन उग रही है, मतलब नेचुरली मिल रही है? नहीं, it is obtained from natural material, means raw material, and it is converted into chemical process, In this chapter we shall study about plastic and their synthetic material that form a part every day life at home, office or in school. First, polymer and monomer. What is polymer and what is monomer? First come to the polymer. Chemists by careful experiment have found out the natural fiber are made from simple chemical molecules called monomer, means which substance. Chemist, everyone know chemist. What is chemist? Chemist by careful experiment, means they are doing experiment where very carefully on the molecules, मीन्स नेचुरल फाइबर्स के ऊपर बहुत ध्यान से वो केमिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं, और जो उस एक्सपेरिमेंट से हमको मिलता है सिंपल केमिकल मॉलिक्यूल्स। क्या मिलता है उससे? सिंपल केमिकल मॉलिक्यूल्स। जो एक्सपेरिमेंट केमिस्ट करते हैं उससे हमको मिलता है सिंपल केमिकल मॉलिक्यूल्स कॉल्ड मोनोमर। क्या मिलता है? मोनोमर। मोनोमर का मतलब क्या होता है? ये भी एक ग्रीक लैंग्वेज का वर्ड है, मोनोमर। मोनो मीन्स वन एंड मर मीन्स यूनिट, मीन्स वन यूनिट। सो मोनोमर इज अ simple unit of giving chemical molecules. For example, monomer is in the natural fiber cotton is simple molecule of glucose. For example, the monomer in the natural fiber cotton is simple molecules glucose, molecule of glucose. ठीक है, तो ये कॉटन से ही लिया गया है और इसका सिंपल मॉलिक्यूल क्या है? ग्लूकोज। टर्न द पेज, कम टू दिस। How in the natural fibers monomer joined in a large number to form a long chain of molecule is called polymer. Listen, एक तरीके का मॉलिक्यूल जिसको हम उसी को जोड़ के एक लॉन्ग चेन बनाते हैं उसको हम पॉलीमर कहते हैं। ये उसका एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है बुक में। ये एक तरीके की चेन दिख रही है, ऐसे ही उसको जोड़ के हम एक बड़ा रूप देते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं पॉलीमर। अ ग्लूकोज पॉलीमर चेन इज मेड फ्रॉम ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल अरेंज one after the other like the same colored breed in above picture। ये एक कलर की ब्रीड दिखा के आपको एक एग्जांपल बताया गया है कि एक तरीके के मॉलिक्यूल से ही हम इसको बनाते हैं। पॉलीमर, द वर्ड पॉलीमर मीन्स, it is also a Greek word. Poly means many पॉली मीन्स मैंने बहुत सारे